champion sound. Works like a magnet with people all around. No rhythm is good, the champion sound. Anybody with the music can bring your town. No rhythm is good, the champion sound. Love it when they hear the champion sound. Need it when they hear the champion. Watch out, anybody else can get found. No rhythm is good, the champion sound. Works like a magnet with people all around. No rhythm is good, the champion sound. Anybody with the music can bring your town. No rhythm is good, the champion sound. Love it when they hear the champion sound. Need it when they hear the champion. Watch out.
Feasibility analysis of using MLS for panel control. On the screen is 5-axis cantilever water jet cleaning machines. This is the program for control panel PLC written. The procedures. Right now we are doing feasibility analysis of using MLS to adopting this solution as the button of the control panel are pressed. If you're using MLS, we just use the program RPG2 to test the feasibility analysis. The most important two routines is the basic script.cpp, script.header, and the application script, gain script.cpp and gain script.h. These four programs are copied from Jim Adams' tower. After the feasibility analysis says the MLS is okay to be used, in this case we will change the name, the gain script, as CMS script. The program in for the simple use, because in CMS CAPP, in automation, we don't have a spell, we don't have the sound music, we don't have the trigger, we don't have the butter, and we don't have items. All those things from used by game we have to remove to simplify our program. The type from 0 until 51 totally is 52 rules. We keep and, else, and if then, and replace, use these routine to replace all of power. So the butter, item, action, message, spell, point, root, all be removed, and you can see the source. If variable len, if set flag, whatever's, until the last. We keep the last. Every if then after finished, always coding if then. So at the last we simply keep if then. You see this one, if random then at the end as return script if then. So at the last the program will coding if then. We just keep this one. Okay, how can we do the first? If dim4, the input 4 equal to 1, do the action open the output button 9. In script, no integer is long. So first of all, we have to change a little things. What's the little? We can see in here. The variable long dimension 256. The dim dimension is 256, but we use integer, so we have to change two things of dim dimension, dim input dimension. The first things we have to change integer become long dimension 256, output dimension 257. This is the first things. The other one is to move these dimensions into the CAPP, private and public. Move into the public area. Okay, this dimension. Okay, so this one is Boolean value 1. Boolean value 1 is true. Boolean value 0 is false. Okay, this finished. And how about the action? Let's see the action here. Play music is action. Just do open the same like play music. The button 9 should be long. Okay, so let's see our do open. To open here is void. We have to move to open into the class, and here is integer. We have to change to long. Copy. So we move void to open, and here should be long. After this, we change something here. Use copy. Faster. and add app do open, and here should be long. That's it. And there is another DO shut, the same, the way like this. Right now we'll discuss MLS. The total if then. Go back to the again script. Let's do a example for this if then do open 9. Suppose the case 4. If flag then, here the condition is 1 input, so we have to write dim. If dim single condition dim1, then okay, then let's rewrite the program down here. We use this one, so we like the mark down here. This one is using. So script if dim1, then we have two entity, one here, one here. So how to write? MVAR, we have to write dim, the same dimension. This is the first entry, long value. These to provide 4, and equivalent to this one is Boolean value, so not the L value, is B value. This is entry dimension 1. This second entry, and skip false, else script true, and return script if then, script next skipping. That's it. Okay, this one solved. Okay, no, not yet. Still we have to handle do open 9. How to write down this action? The music. Okay, let's search the music. Use similar one. The sound, the music in here. The case 44. If flag name, it should be music. And this one, action. So how to write it? We have to write do open. If this action is do open, okay, to change the music. This one, so let this one be alive. How to write it? In here we have to write the action is do open, and here this is app like women. The class routine is do open. The argument is this one, only one entry 0, but it is a Boolean value. and then return script ptr next. So this done. Is solved. And the similar actions we still have do shut. Use the way you can do like do open. You can write do shut, the second actions. But the conditions, this one is only one input, but this one with one output, two outputs. Let's do these examples. Let's do these rules. Two output. Okay. In here, let's change this one. Two output. So if DOM1, DOM2, then you see two output, DOM1, DOM2, then. So how to write this program? Let's go down here. Similar to this one. So we copy this one. And the kill one. Okay. So right now we are engaging DOM1, DOM2, net. So how to write the program? Right now it should be DOM, the first entry 0, equivalent to the second entry. B is Boolean value. Okay, this first condition meet, and the second condition to write and copy again to handle DOM2. Okay, DOM, the entry here is 2. And here is Boolean value entry 3. We have 4 entries. That's it. Script false, else script truth. Return script if then. Script print next, skipping. So this one is this one. We already done the actions to open. The similar ways to handle 3 conditions with 2 input, 1 output. Still like this way to write 3 conditions in here. This is input 2, output 1. This is input 2, output 1. The same. This is output 2, like this one, output 2. This input 1, like this. And this is 1 input, 1 output. So we still have to add another if DRM1, DOM1, then similar like this way. This is DRM2, DOM1, the same. So after these corrections, it is feasible to use MLS, writing the artificial intelligence program to handle the control panel. As some button pressed, we can see the button is pressed or not to decide open the land, open the water, open the rotating, or whatever. Depends on IO table, IO definition. So it is feasible to use MLS for control panels control. Okay, the analysis ending. Actually, after the lectures, we will doing the physical program writing to see where is the struggle, where is the hard point to handle.
People all around, know it when they hear the champion sound. Anybody with the music in video town, know it when they hear the champion sound. Love it when they hear the champion sound. Need it when they hear the champion. Watch out. Anybody wants to get down, know it when they hear the champion sound. Works like a million with people all around, know it when they hear the champion sound. Anybody with the music in video town, know it when they hear the champion sound. Love it when they hear the champion sound. Need it when they hear the champion. Watch out. Anybody wants to get down, know it when they hear the champion sound. Works like a million with